Hi friends, welcome to M4 Motivation channel. Today's video we will be discussing about shortcuts for Microsoft Word. Everyone we are using internet and computer or desktops. It's very useful for all for you. So we can start. Control plus A in Word file is select all. Control plus C is copy selected text. Control plus X is cut selected text. Control plus V is paste. Control plus O is open options. Control plus F open find box. Control plus I italize selection. Control plus U underline selection. Control plus B bold selection. Control plus K insert link. Control plus Y redo last action. Control plus Z undo last action. Control plus G find and replace. Control plus L align selected text left. Control plus E align selected text center. Control plus R align selected text right. Control plus Shift plus F change font. Control plus increase selected font plus. Control plus plus move one way to the left. Control plus 1 single space line. Control plus 2 double space line. Control plus 5 1.5 line spacing. Shift plus F3 change case of text. F7 spell check and selected text. Shift plus F7 treasures. Alt plus Shift plus D insert current date. F12 save as. Control plus S save. Control plus W close document. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and family members. It may be useful to them also. Thank you.